I need a name and address and all that. I'm Greg Pace, 3485 Indianola Avenue, and co-founder of the Columbus Community Bill of Rights. We began this organization back about 3 years ago when we realized that after the state of Ohio had, in the budget bill, deregulated the radioactive content of most of the solid fracking waste that they could spread all over the state now, that deregulated the radioactive content of it. And we have a problem with that. The radioactive content of cuttings, drill cuttings from these shale wells are authorized to be delivered to a facility here in Columbus. The Ohio EPA authorized it back in 2013, I believe. And the protocol that they used to determine that these drill cuttings were safe and well within the EPA drinking water limits, which they have to be, we feel was not a protocol that was appropriate. There was a study that came out back in 2015 by the University of Iowa that demonstrated and showed that this protocol used for these types of materials, it's a protocol that's actually supposed to be used for clear drinking water, to test clear drinking water for radium. And when they use these brines and these drill cuttings that they grind up and modify it, it's full of total dissolved solids, which completely skews the results. So I think it's a pretty in-depth test that they use to demonstrate to the public that this stuff is safe. And radium-226 has a half-life, as Bill said, of 1,600 years, and deposited in this facility. It's actually the Ohio Silver Recycling Facility that we know of here, right along Elm Creek on the south side of Columbus. If they do this, it's a leaching risk over many hundreds of years, and Elm Creek, of course, feeds into the Grove City and all the way down to the Circleville and down to downstream of this. Radium is a substance that we don't want in our water in any case. The reason that we have this ordinance that we handed in is to ban these activities from the city limits, because we got no straight answers from the legislators of the state of Ohio, from the regulators of the state of Ohio, and from the industry in terms of the proper testing of these things and so forth. So we have no confidence that these radioactive materials are, as they say, very safe materials. And so we're hoping that at the very least that the Columbus can do, the Columbus City government and the Franklin County government, is to use an accurate protocol, so-called the gold standard of protocols. It's a gamma spectrometry